struggle with high stress and no time. What do you find is most helpful for lupus patients to start with from these tools to get a little relief?
That is such a good question. Such a good question. Because sometimes the stress in our life is unavoidable. Like it's outside of ourselves. Like we may have a family member who we're caretaking for who's really ill, and we ourselves, we're trying to manage our health. There's just, and then like just living in the US right now, it's pretty stressful. So, what I recommend is to take micro moments. It doesn't have to be like a full, like, spa day and things like that, that they say like that self-care. Like, no, like as you're driving to that appointment with your eyes open, because we're not trying to get in an accident, but like take a deep breath. Breathe in for a count of 4, breathe out for a count of 8, and just do that. Because too often when we are under stress, a few things happen. One, our breath gets real shallow. But then also, what happens within our brains when we're stressed is that the blood flow slows down to this front part of our brain, the part of our brain that's responsible for emotion regulation, rational thinking, problem solving, that frontal lobe. And it's all concentrated here in our emotion center. And that's good temporarily to help us like survive,
Mhm.
fight, flight, freeze. However, we need access to this. And the way that we get that is by practicing these tools in micro moments every day. Take some deep breaths. Like, lock that door. You got kids, lock the door while you take your bath. Like get that time, ask for help, ask for support, even if it's just an hour. Doing that as often as you can, and just knowing that, like, this is self preservation so that you can be able to show up and give in all the ways that you do.